beautiful plants, but they're being torn apart. No! Hey, senor, stop. Your plants are being ruined. Oh my gosh, they're losing more leaves. Ah, this is heartbreaking, honestly. They're gonna get wherever they're going to their oh my lord, did you guys see that? That was a lot. They're gonna get to their destination with no plants. Oh my gosh, they keep losing their beautiful leaves. Ah! Oh my gosh. Senor! Hey! Oh my gosh. This is heartbreaking. Poor babies. Guys. Oh, and by the way, I'm not that close to them. Look, I'm using Zoom. That's how far I am.